curriculum was well structured. It was like from how we learn from basic statistics to the advanced topics like machine learning, deep learning and big data analytics. It was a well structured and it was mostly relating to a master's program.
The curriculum is pretty exhaustive and intense, so it touches almost on every aspect of data science as well as big data. They give you a feel of almost everything that comes under data science, and I believe you have to go ahead and explore yourself.
Unlike online trainings which directly start from model building, so in INSOFE it is like from basic stats to machine learning.
I find the curriculum that is taught at INSOFE is slightly demanding, but I think it is required because in a data science field, everything is not machine learning or deep learning. So INSOFE starts with basic statistics, and that is the prior thing you need to do in a data science project. You need to get the data first.
The most interesting module was machine learning, where I could understand how a recommendation system works in YouTube and on Amazon.
Yeah, according to me, the machine learning module was the most interesting.
The most interesting module was machine learning module, but I liked stats model also because it covered everything from basics part, and it was taught by one of my favorite mentor, Anand sir.
My favorite mentor in the curriculum was Sridhar sir. The reason is we come from a completely diverse background, and the way he handled the initial few classes of statistics and then decision modeling was excellent. He started from the ground level, from telling stories to building up the concepts. So definitely he is the favorite one. And out of all the topics or the modules that were taught, I find the last module, which is like the end-to-end application, the best, because it stitches all the modules together and I could get to see the overall picture of a data science work.